All right, let's get this equipment off the trailer. All right. All right, we got a special project for you today. Our friend Terry has a beautiful backyard. Not a real big backyard, and this stump is taking up a lot of space in it. But this backyard is special because it's right along the river. She's got the mountain with the goats, the wildlife, the scenery, everything is here. We gotta get rid of this stump so she can get her whole backyard. This stump is older. It's kind of rotten. There's some yellow jackets that have been nesting in there. So before the good weather gets here and they start nesting again, I want to get rid of it. But I'm gonna have to come in with a chainsaw and cut the top part of this off, expose what we're gonna grind. Then I'm gonna come in with the mini skid steer and the grapple, haul off the big chunks of wood, come back in with the bucket, move this material away, haul it over, put it on the other side of the fence. That way I can see if there's any rocks in there before I roll in here with the stump grinder. As with any DIY project, I mean, you gotta be ready for new things to pop up all the time. We got lots of equipment. We're gonna be ready to call an audible, bring in more gear, and do more work. I can hardly wait to get started. I brought my steel chainsaw, my protective gear, got my chaps on, and the first order of business is to take as much of this stump down as possible. I've kind of jokingly started referring to this as Steve versus Elm. I thought it was an old cottonwood. I was wrong. Big elm tree. And it's probably 150, 200 years old or more. And it's hard as a rock. It's like beating on iron. I absolutely underestimated this tree. What I thought was rotten old was old and strong. Now we're gonna put the stump grinder to work. I'm gonna show you what those green teeth on the SG37 will do. Rather than cut this one short, she said she likes mulch and wants a lot of mulch. I'm gonna put up the protective board. Now, one of the things, you got a wheel flying, a lot of material. There's probably some old rocks around in here and stuff. And I'm gonna start up high and I'm gonna start wiping this thing away. I'm gonna grind this thing down into the ground. No more chainsaws, no more nothing. That stump grinder is a heck of a tool, and we're gonna put it to work right now. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY. We got most of this stump ground down tonight. We're starting to lose daylight. I need to come back with the bucket on the mini skid and take out all this sawdust. And the landowner wants to use it for mulch in their gardens and flower beds and whatnot, so I can do some cleanup. Not just to give it to them, but I need to expose the rest of this stump. I need to see where the roots are. I need to see what else we have to grind up so that I can finish the job. Well, we'll be back tomorrow morning. We'll get after it bright and early. I'm back here this morning, and the first thing I need to do is get over here with the mini skid steer in the bucket and start hauling off this material. Okay, now that I've got 4 or 5 bucket loads of material out of here, I'm gonna sweep away what little is left. I'm gonna expose all of this so that I can come around. I'm gonna have to hit it from that side this time. I'm gonna walk the stump grinder around, get it set up, and start wiping away that stump from that side. Then I'll probably come to this side, and then hopefully I'll be able to walk it right in the middle. I'll finish this up. All the debris we have left when we're done will just go back into the hole at this point. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY. This is a stump project for the ages. I mean, I've never dealt with a stump this big, and the more I grind, the more material I make. I'm getting some incredible mulch because now I'm getting some soil mixed in with the chips. It's beautiful stuff, but I can't see where the stump is at. So I'm gonna jump in the skid steer. I'm gonna use the mini skid to push all this material over into a pile over there, try and get the stump revealed so that I can see it and get the stump grinder back in here, keep grinding on it. But some of it I'm below surface, some of it I'm still above surface on, but I just can't see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna have to use the other equipment to kind of give myself a visual on what I've got left to do. All right, we've got everything subsurface. There's still some roots. It's a 200-year-old tree. Some of these roots probably go clear to the river. But I'm subsurface. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk this out of here. I'm gonna jump in the mini skid and I'm gonna start backfilling all of this. I'm gonna try and get it as leveled out as possible and kind of get it ready. It's got some great mulch in here. And then I'm gonna come back with some grass seed a little later, get it put down. We're supposed to have rain for the next 3 or 4 days. A little Mother Nature sprinkler, get some action going here. Come back in a couple weeks, I'll bet it's nice and green. So I'm gonna get going. We gotta get this project wrapped up and get on to the next one. As you can see, this stump had taken up a lot of Terri's backyard. And now with the stump gone, there's a lot more room and potential for that space. And we were glad to help Terri out. A local tree service would have surely charged her a few $1,000s to remove that huge stump. But by doing a project like this DIY, she saved a lot of money. It's hard work, but savings for a landowner can be tremendous if they tackle projects like this themselves. This was definitely our biggest and most epic Build It Better DIY episode yet, but there's more to come. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY.